Thumbnail search is a powerful tool for Spectrum users to view keyframes across the adaptive timeline. This is a great tool to use when you want to stay in live display but actually view what happens. So let's go ahead and populate the thumbnails. So you just arrow up on the top of the adaptive timeline, and you're going to see it's going to open up tiles. So it's going to give us a glimpse of about every hour and a half or so as we click through here. If we want to narrow down the time frame, we can zoom in. It'll repopulate the thumbnails. And now we can see at 7:24 the motorcycle is there. If we move forward, we can see the different time frames. As we click through, it seamlessly gives us the ability to jump to each video segment. All the while, if we want to jump back to live video, I just jump back to live and I'm back in the camera. Thumbnail search is an incredibly powerful feature and a really good resource for finding out incidents.